this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the data and factory reset your Android phone if you're having issues with it. And we can enter the recovery mode rather easy. So if our phone is having issues, hold down the power button and we want to power this off. Now you can perform a reset of your phone too by holding down the power button and the volume down button. That will force restart it. And I'm just going to go this because it's a little bit easier just powering off like that. But if we want to force restart it, just volume down, power button. Then when we get to this black screen, we have to switch from the volume down button and switch to the volume up button in the power button. And then that will put us into the recovery mode. If we have the Bixby button, we're going to have to hold that down now too. And then I'm going to hold this down, volume up, volume key down is not pressed. And then hold down the power button. And then when we see this Honor logo, let go after it fades away. So we can see it right now. If we don't let go when it goes away, the phone is just going to restart. So continue to hold these buttons down. And then when it goes away, let go. And then we're going to see the recovery options. Use the volume down key or up to operate this menu. Press power to select. So we can go on down to clear data and wipe the phone right now. And this is going to erase everything on your phone, so just a heads up. If you have any information on there, this is kind of like a last resort, but you can go to update mode, safe mode, or restart also. So let's just restart it, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.